Good morning students. Today in chapter number 8 we will talk about the long question answers. These are the 5 long question answers that I will explain you now and that you have to do in your fair notebook. So these are the 5 questions and I will explain you one by one. So first question is, name a few animals found around you. Write one characteristic feature of each animal. So in this you have to write about any 3 kind of animals which is around you. You can write these 3 and you can mention any 3 also or any 4. It's your choice. So first I have written about frog. We all know that frog breathe through their lungs on land and it breathe through their skin in water. Second, I have written about birds. Birds like crows, sparrows, they breathe through their lungs and they fly with the help of their wings. Third, I have written about insect. Insect like grasshopper, cockroaches, they usually use their legs for movement. So you can mention these 3 or you can mention any 3 of your choice also. Question number 2 is, how is the breathing process of an insect different from that of fish? Now the breathing process for fish and insect, it is entirely different. So what is the difference? Come on the first point. First point is regarding insect. So insect breathe through air holes on their body. On the surface of body, the insect are having small holes and these holes are known as spiracles, which are responsible for the exchange of gases in insect. Second is fish. We all know that fish respire through their gills, and gills are what? These are the organs which are richly supplied with blood vessels. They are having many blood vessels in it, and exchange of gases takes place in these blood vessels. So this is regarding your answer number 2. Now coming to the question number 3. What is question number 3? What special features help water animals to move? So you have to write some examples of water animals which helps them to move or swim. So first of all you should write that what are water animals. Animals that live in water are called water or aquatic animals. Some of their features are like fish have fins for swimming. Fishes have 3 type of fins for swim. Turtles, they have 4 paddle-like limbs to push water back and to swim. And frogs have also the webbed feet to swim. So they are having different features for the movement, to allow movement in water. Fourth question is, how do insects move? This I have told you also that what are insects? These are the 6-legged creature which usually use their legs for movement. And these I have written some examples like grasshopper. Grasshopper use its long hind legs, means back legs, for hopping. Hopping means to move from one place to another, or you can say to jump from one place to another. That is hopping. Second is, water boatman uses their legs as oars for swimming. So water boatman, it is insect that uses their legs as oars for swimming. Oars, you can say, like in the shape there are paddles are there which moves the water back. In the same way, water boatmen use their legs to move the water back for the proper swimming in the water. Third is, insect like lice and bedbugs. They crawl. They are not having their proper legs and they cannot fly because they are not having proper wings. So they crawl when they move from one place to another. Now the last and 5th one question is snakes. Regarding snakes. Snakes are reptile without any legs. How do they move? We all know that snakes comes under the category of reptiles and they are not having their legs. So how they move? Snakes have scales and plates on the underside of the body. They do not have legs. So snakes have scales-like structure on the downside of their body, and when snakes move, what happen? These plates act like feet and ribs act like legs. So the plates which is underside there act like the feet and ribs act like the legs, and these scales are connected to the ribs of the snake. Snake also have very flexible backbone which helps them to move the forward. So in this way snake move from one place to another. So these are the 5 questions you have to do in your fair notebook today in a neat and clean handwriting, and if there is any doubt you can ask me on my number. Thank you and have a nice day.